Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm the live streamer, Caitlin. Today we would like to share with you one type of orifice plate. And now I will got this one. And let's check the details for you. Firstly, let's see the outside package is the PE bag, right? And here this is our Shumatt's brand logo and the product SKU. Actually, Caitlin would like to mention that for the brand logo label, the packaging, etc., we can support customized service. And now, open it. You can see here, and that's the inside product. And for this one, if you look carefully, you will find on the surface of this orifice plate it printed with the product code. And this is the orifice plate 29450406120 original new. We supply with good after sales service 6 months warranty time. If you order this product and you will receive the packaging, if you're not set with the quality, it's okay, return or exchange, and we have confidence to do that, so no worries. So much for the orifice plate. And more details, please send us by the comments or the messages. We had the WhatsApp or the email address. Choose one. We feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.